Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your selfie into a professional photo using Pipit AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to the Pipit AI website. You're going to sign in with your Google account, then you're going to get free credits. And I'm going to upload my photo here. Don't forget to choose image and select this plus icon to upload photo. And I'm going to choose one of the photos from my device. I'm going to choose this photo. Okay, and this is the prompt I'm going to use. Actually, you can modify the prompt according to your needs. And I'm going to send the photo and also the prompt to the AI and let the AI do something for my photo. Wait, it's still loading guys. Okay guys, and these are the results, and then you can choose the best one that you like. For me, I'm going to choose this one, and we can click on download and then choose without Pipit watermark. And okay, now the photo has been downloaded. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn your selfie into a professional photo with Pipit AI. If you want to try it yourself, you can click the join link on my YouTube description. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in the next video.